Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to SMC with Arewa. My name is Arewa. I welcome you to my channel. If you are new, kindly click on that subscribe button and don't forget to on your notification bell so you can get notified whenever I drop a new video, so you can come and check it out. Also, this is a Yoruba and English channel, so thank you so much guys for joining me. Don't forget to follow my two other channel, History with Arewa and Intimacy with Arewa, for any advert, support, donation, or for any discussion whatsoever. My contact is going to be down below in the description box, and I'm also going to leave it lying around in the comment section area. Don't forget to reach me to, for anything. Thank you so much guys for joining me. Thank you for always coming back to this channel. Thank you for always sticking to this place. I really love and appreciate every single one of you. Honestly, I really appreciate you guys, and I'm grateful. Honestly, I'm grateful for this little family of SMC. Thank you so much guys. Let's move on today's episode of SMC with Arewa. Or seriousness lubade or seriousness lubade. Let's move on. Mo fẹ́ kọ́kọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ lórí Princess Mommy Rosula. Bí a Mommy Rosula ni a pè ní, àbí Princess Rosula ni ká pè wọ́n. What is going on Facebook is it's getting somehow. Èèyàn kan gba owó, èèyàn kan ò gba owó. Somebody collect money. Somebody said they did not give her money. Somebody said they did not give her money. Ìyẹn Mommy Princess Rosula o. Mo wá wò wípé but kò ní di gbogbo ariwo yìí now. Princess Rosula money is a national cake. Tó bá dọ́dọ̀ tiẹ̀ kí wo náà bu titi ẹ, kó dẹ̀ dúpẹ́, kó carry on. Èèyàn kan ò lè jẹ́ tán abun buton ni. It's a national cake. Once it comes to you, cut your own and move on. So kò dídì pé kẹ́ máa fà síra yín, kẹ́ máa drag ẹ, tó bá ṣe wá sọ́dọ̀ tiẹ̀ bu tiẹ̀ náà kí wo náà lọ. Ẹlòmíì á tún bu tiẹ̀. But ju gbogbo ẹ lọ, Princess Rosula, it seems maybe you forgot we that we are on YouTube. Ṣé gbogbo àwọn tí owó tẹ́ há lórí Facebook yẹn ẹ há dé YouTube. Ẹ há dé YouTube. It seems this mommy really love Yoruba people, because most of all the people that I see that she's doing are Yoruba people that wọ́n nífẹ̀ẹ́ Yoruba gidigidi gan ni. Mommy Rosula, in case you don't know, àwọn nǹkan wà tó yẹ kẹ́ náwó sí Nàìjíríà gan jù àwọn abroad gan tún lọ. Lady Sade tó fẹ́ ṣe surgery. Sade tó fẹ́ ṣe surgery. Mommy Princess Rosula, you can sponsor this lady for her surgery. Ẹ lè náwó lórí ìyẹn. Ṣé understand the bẹ́ẹ̀? Oduduwa Nation, Princess Rosula tá ń sọ pé a fẹ́. You can easily buy bus for us and donate it. Àwọn èèyàn tó nídìí owó yapa Nàìjíríà. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Àwọn èèyàn tó nídìí owó tó jẹ́ wípé wọn ò ní máa drag yín, kò ṣe pé máa gbà lọ́wọ́ yín lady tó bá dọ̀la wọn gbọ́ tàwọn bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní buyin tẹ́bà fún wọn mọ́. Àwọn eléyìí ò ṣe yẹn. Ṣé tẹ̀lé lady tó need surgery yẹn tí mọ́mí yìí máa lè connect, ẹ bá wa connect Princess Rosula mọ́ Ṣadé. Bí wọ́n máa bá wa sponsor surgery ẹ̀. Princess Rosula, ọmọ Dámiláre Peters, òun náà need the scholarship, ẹ bá wa fọ́mọ in scholarship nítorí Ọlọ́run. Princess Rosula, there are many people that need this help. There are many people that need this help. If you don't know where to navigate, come to YouTube and meet us that we are on YouTube. Let us point you to where the money will be, well spent. Go. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Lady yẹn need the surgery. A fẹ́ ra boss. Ẹ lè ra boss yẹn kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ lórúkọ Oduduwa Nation, kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ present ẹ fún wa lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ ní that donate owó. Those are things to use the money for. Woman really love Yoruba gidi gan ni o. Bóyá wọ́n dẹ̀ máa ṣe fáwọn ọmọ Ẹdó náà bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ò wá mọ̀ o. Ṣùgbọ́n tí Yorùbá làwa máa rí. Tó máa ṣe fáwọn ọmọ Ẹdó tí gbogbo wa àdẹ̀ kì í gbọ́. A jẹ́ wípé bóyá àwọn yẹn gan ti fẹ́ mọ oore ju àwa Yorùbá lọ, because àwọn Yorùbá tó ń ṣe fún nísìn yìí. Eléyìí gbà lẹ́ni nísìn tó bá dọ̀la bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa bú. Tọ̀lọ́ wọn àtúgbà lọ́la àtú bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa bú. Tó bá yẹ kó ṣe fáwọn Ẹdó náà táwọn èèyàn tí gbogbo wa rọ́pọ̀ yánrin yóò dẹ̀ sí ń tà. A jẹ́ pé nǹkan kan ṣe Yorùbá ń gbà náà. A jẹ́ pé kọ̀ọ̀kan ṣe wa. Ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀síwájú. Ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀síwájú. Women Association went to the Palace of Ooni of Ife. Ẹgbọ́n nǹkan tán sọ. Listen to it. So, not less than 1,000 Yoruba women from Bulgaria, Argentina, Mexico, United Kingdom, Papua Guinea, Venezuela, Spain, France, and other countries on Wednesday visited the Ooni of Ile-Ife, His Imperial Majesty Oba Adeyeye Enitan Ogunwusi, the Ojaja
II in his palace to express themselves on the need for the Yoruba nation. The Ooni, in his response, maintained that our struggle for self-determination cannot materialize without woman support. Confirm. As one of the strongest pillars of the agitation, Professor Banji Akintoye also said that the visit symbolized a declaration showing the departure of Yoruba land from Nigeria. The women, under the gaze of Obinrin Oodua Agbaye, dressed with traditional ritual attires consisting of white body, wrappers and beads, and they are all from diaspora, numbering about 1,000, stormed the palace, demanding that it is either self-determination or nothing for the Yoruba nation. Led by their worldwide leader, Princess Yeyesimi Adekuku Onoyemi, and their Secretary General, Dr. Omowumi, the woman said the gods in Yoruba land have mandated them to commence spiritual measures that will lead to the prompt actualization of Yoruba nation. Omowumi, a resident of United Kingdom, flanked by other Yoruba men from 37 countries, such as Canada, Argentina, United Nations, United Kingdom, Papua Guinea, France, and, among others, said the gods mandated them to conduct some spiritual measures in the palaces of Ooni of Ife, Alaafin of Oyo, Oshemawe of Ondo, Ewi of Ado Ekiti, Obaro of Kaba, and Ayangberu of Ikorodu, Olofa of Ofa, and Awujale of Ijebu land, respectively. The women added that the outcome of the spiritual measures, which cannot be discussed in public, shall unveil many things that will help towards the peaceful and prompt actualization of Yoruba nation. All of us that you are seeing here today are top-notch professionals. We have medical doctors, lawyers, chartered accountants, engineer, development experts, journalists, academic dons, top bankers, and entrepreneurs among us. The majority of us are working at Blue Sea public and private organizations. Simi Adekuku Onoyemi, the worldwide leader of the women, declared. She said they contented with what they have, but they are not happy with the situation of things in their fatherland. Hence, they are coming out to salvage their land in a Yoruba way. Collaborating our leader, Omowumi Babalola, upon consultations, we were mandated by God to visit the palaces of all the kings I mentioned above to carry out some spiritual measures that we cannot say the details in public. Hence, our visits to the Oduduwan source. When we are done with our consultations and prayer, the people of Yoruba nation shall be surprised by the rate at which Yoruba nation will come to reality without any bloodshed. It shall be amazing and the world shall be shocked, Omowumi declared. In his brief remarks, Yoruba leader and Alano of Ilano, Omo Odua, Professor Banji Akintoye, who led the woman to Ooni's palace, described the action of the women as powerful declaration showing the departure of Yoruba land from Nigeria. Mama, love and content you. The 86-year-old member of the Second Republic Senate said, "Our women who gave us to us, have spoken. They have declared, and heaven has heard. What they have started is a powerful declaration showing the departure of Yoruba nation from Nigeria. It will be amazing and shocking by the time the declaration is made. Yoruba nation shall be birthed, and with the support of our women, our freedom is nearer," Akintoye said. Ooni of Ife, in his response to the development, highlighted the importance of Yoruba women in Yoruba's strive for freedom, stating that the new twist to the agitation for self-determination is that women are now involved, which makes him very, very glad. Whenever you are doing that, whatever you are doing that women are not involved cannot materialize. We are going to where if our women, we are not going nowhere if our women are not carried along and get involved. If you are married and your wife is not happy with you, it is not going to work well with you unless the woman is fighting you with sincerity. Women are not timid, they are warriors. From the Holy Bible, we read how Deborah fought for her people. Bible, and conquered. Moremi fought and delivered the people of ancient Ife from Igbomekun, who were our deadly adversaries. Now you are talking. Therefore, women are key to our struggle for self-determination, and we must carry them along going forward. Oduduwa Republic law ni dibo fun o. We will support our women, and we are happy that they are taking up this battle and picking up the gauntlet. Again, I want to say very expressively that if we fail to have the support of our women folks, we are going nowhere. Therefore, I welcome you to the source, and I wish you well in your visits to all the other palaces in Yoruba land. Ooni declared. òun lẹ ti gbọ́ yẹn pé Oòduà nation here we come, Oòduà nation here we come, ó ti dé. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you olórí, happy birthday to you. Gẹ́gẹ́gẹ́gẹ́gẹ́gẹ́. Ẹ pé tí n bá kọrin pé mo máa tà ṣé kí n wọ studio, ohun mi máa dùn gan-an orin kò ń ṣe kékeré o. Ẹ ṣáà jẹ́ kí a ṣe àdúrà fún olórí Naomi. Èní ni ọjọ́ ìbí wọn, èní lọ́jọ́ ìbí wọn. Ẹ kú oríire náà o, ìgbà ọdún kan ni o. Gbọ́ yẹn birthday olórí Naomi, èní ni birthday wọn. Ẹ bá wa kí wọn, you know, say a little prayer, say a prayer for her, extend a prayer to her. No, you people should not come tomorrow and start Arewa. We saw the video, her stomach was coming, is she pregnant? Is she shaking it? Kò kàn mí o. I will appear and disappear. Show you, I will appear and disappear. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ má wá bèèrè lọ́wọ́ mi pé bóyá ó lóyún àbí kò lóyún torí aṣọ tó wọ̀ yẹn máa sọ pé àyíkò yẹn yọnu aṣọ yẹn, yeah, she's pregnant. Some bloggers will start carrying her, she's pregnant, she's this, she's that, and start posting that video as evidence that she's pregnant. Anyway, ìyẹn kọ́ mo tẹ̀ fẹ́ sọ, appear and disappear ni, I will appear and disappear ni. Ṣùgbọ́n that reminds me another amebo. Aláàfin of Ọ̀yọ́, ikú bàbá yèyé, donated àbí built dẹni àbí bought dẹni a house to two of his olórí. Ìyẹn olórí ṣé Fọláṣadé kọ́ lórúkọ olórí yẹn, Fọláṣadé àti olórí Ọ̀mọ́. A building in Ibadan, Palace of Patience is what they write in the building. Palace of Patience. Wọ́n ṣe party tó gbogbo wọn bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa, you know, throw shade. The ex-oloris that have left in person of Badira and Anu, these two, they started throwing shade. And I'm like, why are they still, these people still, it's not like pé àwọn tí wọ́n kọ́ ilé fún ní ìsinyìí. Àwọn èèyàn sọ pé ká ní wípé if Olori Badira and Anu should have been in the palace, peradventure the king would not have actually built that house. Maybe the building of the house to those two Olori is just to pepper the Oloris that left. And I laughed. Totally funny. See, Emidia, I laughed honestly because it started funny. The house gone was one building, no, and I'm wondering how is this two Olori supposed to share the house? It's not as if they can live there. Maybe they are living in the palace. Rent a house. I mean, I don't understand. But nonetheless, congratulations létí ọkọ wọn rà fún àbí tó dẹ̀ kọ fún àwọn méjèèjì pé kí wọ́n pín building kan. Bóyá ọgbà dẹ̀ wá ni o, bóyá half and half ni o, kò yé èmi o. Bí wọ́n ṣe fẹ́ máa jọ gbé bẹ̀ yẹn kò yé mi torí ilé wọn wà ń palace. Anyway, wọ́n ṣàkọlé ṣá. Wọ́n kọ́lé. Mo máa wò pé olórí Àánú, ìyẹn ex olórí, she threw a shade. Badira too, that one too throw a shade. The peace of mind I have now is nothing to come with. Why are you people throwing shade? What concerns you with whatever is going on in the palace? If you tell about the new Why do you need to throw a shade? It shows that probably it pains you. Only the fact that you throw a shade, that's it. The fact that you are throwing a shade, that means you thought about it. Because if you do not think about it, you throw a shade. Because you people need that to throw a shade. Need that to throw shade. And I wonder why they are doing that. I mean, Olori Badira, ex-Olori Badira, she's doing fine. Anu too is an upcoming in progress. Upcoming. Anu plan ni escape route when dada ni. Ko plan ni retirement escape ye dada biti Badira ni. Shamo ke Badira plan ni dada. O plan ni. Ohun de kere mori Anu ye gege bi pe on wo agbi o ṣe easy fún Badira ko mo ko Badira ti ń ṣe oye yin láti tipẹ́ látàrí alálùmọ́lẹ̀ ló ti oye yin ó dà pé nǹkan tá Àánú yẹn rí náà nìyẹn. But nonetheless Ọlọ́run á gbé Àánú náà sí ọwọ́ sí òkè. Mo tẹ̀ wá orí profile Badira. She's actually still using Adeyemi, the name of the Kábíyèsí, the surname of the ex-Olori Àánú has removed the Kábíyèsí's name from her name, you know. But Badira still maintained it, and I wonder why Badira still maintaining it. Now, a little small bird now told me, a little bird now told me, she will still retain it because
she and Baba are still talking. She and Baba are still talking. Baba is paying the school fees of the children. You know, she has three boys. Kábíyèsí ló sanwó school. Wọ́n send owó school. Ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n send sí Àánú. Ó dà pé Àánú ò mọ̀ wípé eléyìí ń gba owó school fees. Ó ń gbowó oúnjẹ, ẹ gbàgbé. Òun ò mọ̀. Ó dà pé ètò tó Kábíyèsí fẹ́ ṣe fún Àánú gbà tí Àánú fi jáde pé Kábíyèsí fẹ́ kidnap òun o, wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe gbá o, wọ́n fẹ́ ṣagbọn o. Ìwọ Àánú ò mọ̀ pé olórí ó mọ̀ pé Bádírá pé ń gbowó school ń gbowó oúnjẹ ọmọ. Ìwọ wọ́n ní kí wọ́n like bódà pé wọ́n fẹ́ reach out sí wọn láti bá lè mọ̀ bí Kábíyèsí àwa tọmọ tó bí tì ní. Láti fẹ́ mọ̀ bọ́n ṣe fẹ́ tọ́ ọmọ tó kó dání lọ. Ó wá ṣe kíni, ó wá ń sọ pé wọ́n fẹ́ kidnap ẹ ní ìgbà náà. Òun ni kíni ò ṣe tètè ní transition from running away kò ṣe tètè túra fún olórí ìyẹn Àánú kò tètè rọ́wọ́ mú àti wípé Bádírá gan ti páàkì gbogbo fishes tó yẹ ó yẹ yín gbogbo àwọn ẹkùn tó yẹ kóhun náà rí láti fi tètè raise owó ìyẹn Bádírá ó ti kó gbogbo ìsàbẹ́ kó yẹ Àánú ò mọ̀ pé ó yẹ kóhun ti máa tó sẹ́yìn sí ilẹ̀ Bádírá ọmọ tó jáǹtì ẹ̀ ó ti tó gbogbo ẹ̀ sílẹ̀ ọmọ lọ́mọ ó ti tó gbogbo ẹ̀ sílẹ̀ ó ti jámájámá yẹn dáadáa àti inú ilé gan ló ti ń jámájámá yẹn kó tó dé ta so ó ti tó kó ẹ lẹ̀ ìwọ Àánú ló kọ̀ tí ẹ mọ̀ ó dẹ̀ tún wá mọ̀ wípé gan yẹ kó máa gbowó sùkúlù kó máa ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ Bádírá ń gbà á ju gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ Àánú is selling clothes ẹ lọ patronize Ọlọ́run wá kúkú fà lọ́wọ́ sókè ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣàdúrà fún Ọlọ́run wá fà lọ́wọ́ sókè kò kú ní kábàámọ̀ pé kéléré tóun ṣe kúrò ṣùgbọ́n tó bá dẹ̀ ti kábàámọ̀ ẹ̀mí ta ló tiẹ̀ lọ fẹ́ ìyẹn ju gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀síwájú. Let's move on. Let's talk about Sister Maureen Badejo's case with MFM. I saw a show of her recently. Honestly, I felt if you see this lady, you know, as a senior colleague, I felt really sorry for her. I had these mixed feelings. You could see that this woman is crying inside. She was literally crying inside. Even though she tried to say she was laughing, she's doing all that, but you could tell that this woman is auntie inside gidi goni onke ike askesino. I saw the judgments. Let me read it. They said aspects of those broadcasts which pertain to the general overseer of and Mommy Gio were filed as a lawsuit in High Court of London in the Strand, Queen's Bench Division in the course of hearing, which was listed at 10:30 a.m. and concluded at 1:05 p.m. Today, April 30, 2021. The evidence was so overwhelming that Maureen Badejo's lawyer considered that her remarks in all those broadcasts were serious and defamatory. Judgment was pronounced today in which the court granted an order of perpetual injunction restraining Maureen Badejo from publishing defamatory words against or concerning the plaintiff and ordered her to pay a legal fees incurred by the Olukoyas in the court. The erudite judge opined in his judgment thus, it is overwhelmingly, that is in brackets, overwhelmingly clear that the nature of this defamation is severe and serious, and that the number of publications is considerate. Maureen Badejo had filed a counter-claim to demand monies allegedly lost by her from the shutting down of some of her broadcasts by YouTube and Facebook squirrel to complaints from Dr. Olukoya's lawyer. The judge, in dismissing it as a frivolous claim, branded it as an abuse of process. That is, the judge dismissed the counterclaim of Maureen demanding money from the plaintiff that some of her broadcasts was shut down by YouTube. But yeah, probably because she was claiming that complaint from Olukoya's lawyer that made YouTube or Facebook, you know, close down, and then she lost money on those. So she's claiming to collect money. The judge dismissed it as a frivolous claim and even branded it as an abuse of process. The London case will continue for the court to forensically determine the quantum of damages to be awarded to Dr. and Mrs. Olukoya for this issue. You know, I saw this and I wondered, but Okay, let's say the one that happened in Nigeria, pé bóyá wọ́n bribe. Ṣé court to UK long wọ́n tún máa bribe ni? Honestly, I don't know. I'm asking. I'm really, you know, this is me being sincere. I have no idea. Do they bribe over there? Because I can Sister Maureen categorically keep saying that if Olukoya BMFMs think that she's lying, they should go to court. Olukoya should go to court, that she has evidences. And I'm wondering, okay, this is the court in the UK now. What is going on? Where are all those evidences? What is exactly going on? You know, it is actually good that she came out to create awareness, which is good. But then I think she turned it to a personal vendetta. I normally say it that as a blogger, a speaker, it is not all the case that is brought to you that they want justice. Believe me, some people just want, most of the time, some people just want you to create awareness. They just want you, it's not as if they want justice. They just want you to create awareness about it. Now, as if that should be the case, normally everything should be alleged. If you are taking, the moment you start taking it personal, when you will cross the bridge of alleged to accusation, you will not know. Nítorí nǹkan ṣe kí èèyàn máa take nǹkan personal. Wàá sọ, wàá gbẹ́nu kúrò, torí àṣejù gan ò tún dá. Wàá sọ, wàá gbẹ́nu kúrò, wàá tún mú èmi sọ. Tẹ́ni ẹ bá tún ṣe nǹkan tó sọ pé ó ń ṣe yẹn, wàá tún sọ, wàá tún gbẹ́nu kúrò. You know, like that. You know, like, that is how it's supposed to be. But then Sister Maureen was just, you know, just keep going. And sometimes some people will call to want to advise her. You know, she sounds so rude or poor to be proud to them. I don't get that. You know, I don't understand it. I mean, if people want to even advise her or something like that, she does not take to it. Many people don't pay me. Pé táwọn bá pè wọ́n, wọ́n fẹ́ gbà wọ́n nímọ̀ràn. Pé Maureen ò ní gbé kọ́, ó wà proud, ó ṣe kíní kan, kò kí ń gbọ́. Kíní kan, igba o, àwo o. You know, I appreciate that she raised awareness about all the corrupt deals in the church, you know, with all the mismanagement of all these thousands and thousands of money. She did a very good job. She did a great, she exceedingly great job. She did. But since the British authorities and the organization, the charity organization people, you know, have taken over the case and doing investigation, she should have just left the matter and do something else. But she just, you know, she turned the whole thing to personal vendetta, you know, like, I don't know, maybe it's because of her fans were sharing her up. Her fans were sharing her up, so she started taking it way, continue like that. And people keep saying that whenever they try to correct her, she will blast, she will insult, and she will even curse people when they try to, you know, correct her. Honestly, I don't even, you know, it just, the whole thing tire me. Okay, let's say, okay, the Nigeria judgment was you know, this one, you know, corner one. What about the one in the UK? Why didn't she contest to this one in the UK? I don't understand. Now she's claiming as if a lawyer want to gbà bọ̀dẹ̀ fún wọn. And I'm like, which lawyer tó ń gbà bọ̀dẹ̀ fún yàn ní abroad? Abroad tó ń ṣe Nigeria. Ká sọ pé ti judgment in Nigeria pé bóyá kíní, but abroad ńkọ́? I mean, I don't get it. Normally, you know, she claimed that her evidences are with her in her custody, that it was not presented by a lawyer. Then she should have called for a judgment of the matter now, which is allowed in the UK law. Even in Nigeria law, it is allowed even in Nigeria law. So as to give a lawyer enough time, you know, for them to present and defend their case properly. So I don't understand this one. Honestly, I felt really bad. Honestly, she's crying inside. She's deeply crying inside. You could tell. She's crying inside. And at first, I see sharing her up. At first, I see sharing her up. Oh man, I will commit to your man feel it. Wadake. But gbogbo evidences, gbogbo àwọn èèyàn tó sọ pé àwọn evidences, gbogbo àwọn èèyàn tó ń gbẹ́jọ́ wá, ṣé ẹgbẹ́ evidences lọ́wọ́ ṣé present ẹ̀ ní kóòtù ni? Ká ní pé ẹ sọ pé ti di kóòtù Nàìjíríà pé ó ṣe wàyó, ṣé ti kóòtù London náà tún ṣe wàyó ni? Ṣé ti kóòtù London náà tún ṣe wàyó ni? Ìyẹn ni àárín yẹn ni kò tiẹ̀ wá yé mi níbẹ̀. Àárín yẹn ni kò yé mi ní ibẹ̀. She's like she took the case way too personal. kò kí n ṣe pé bóyá ó ń lọ sí MFM on a very good day ṣebí nǹkan tó wá sọ fún yín ni kò lè ṣe pé bóyá ẹ tiẹ̀ confam lọ́wọ́ Olúkọ̀yà gan fúnra rẹ̀ but notwithstanding ẹ ti create awareness ojú àwọn èèyàn ti là ẹ move on to the next pastor tó bẹ́ pé iṣẹ́ pastor lè fẹ́ máa ṣe àbí iṣẹ́ ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì àmọ́ iye pastor tó wà ìkan ṣáà ní ti Adá Jesus yìí ẹ mú yẹn sẹ́nu kẹtẹ̀ bá wa lọ́jọ́ lórí yẹn Sam Ojo ṣì yẹn exist o ẹ bá Sam Ojo fà á o you know gbàtẹ́ ti sọ yẹn ṣebí èèyàn sọ kẹ́ni yẹn bá lè change ni adé ní sùúrù ká òbẹ́ ni ẹ̀ máa tí ó bá ti ṣe yẹn tí sọ you know like that but I think because of our fans keep sharing her up they are still sharing her up. The thing is, it is not as if probably let's say Olukoya won. This matter is not a matter of pé mo lose or win. Kò ṣe nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lélẹ̀. Ó máa ní àwọn ìjà mi tí yàn máa ń fi ilẹ̀ tí yàn máa ń, you know, we ṣe kíní tán to fight later àbí de ṣe kíní kan bá lọ àwọn Yorùbá ṣe máa pa òwe yẹn. Àgbò tó fẹ̀yìn rìn agbára ló lọ mú wá ẹ fẹ̀yìn rìn. Ṣé yé yín? Kò tẹ́ yẹ kó dọ̀rọ̀ court in the first place. Ní tèmi o, kò yẹ kó dọ̀rọ̀ court. Nítorí tó bá dẹ̀ máa dọ̀rọ̀ kóòtù àwọn MFM tó ń gbẹ́jọ́ wá fúnra ara wọn ṣebí UK ni ṣebí wọ́n lọ fẹjọ́ sùn àwọn ọlọ́pàá pé ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì wa pásítọ̀ wọn kówó wa jẹ ó ṣe báyìí ó ṣàgbọn ó ṣe kíní kan o you know ìyẹn náà máa tún wá back up content tó gbé kí blogger gan tó máa blogger máa create awareness ni UK dẹ̀ ní ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì náà wá tán ni wọ́n ti ń kó gbogbo owó jẹ yìí wọ́n pe àwọn authorities in UK wọn dàbí ti Nàìjíríà mi ò rò wípé bóyá MFM máa bribe Queen of England àbí fẹ́ bribe George náà wọ́n ni tó bá pé Nàìjíríà a lè sọ pé okay but ṣé wọ́n tún ṣe yẹn náà honestly I don't know I'm asking I'm very sincere but the truth is I really felt for Sister Maureen. You could tell she's crying inside. She's not happy, she's crying inside, but at the end of the day Ọlọ́run náà mọ̀ pé you tried and that is it. We'll move on to the next one. That's it. Move on to the next one. Let's see how it goes. Although she said that she's waiting for God's judgment of the heart ni àwọn MFM gba àwọn retí judgment of above. Now, tẹ́ bá retí judgment of above, you don't even need to do the case in the first place. If you are waiting that God should judge, then why are you treating the matter? You'd have just leave everything for the God now to go and judge his thing. That don't know business in the church. Show new one. Anyway, àwọn èèyàn ṣì wà gullible now. Let's move on.